Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. Today, I actually have a Coach unboxing and an unbagging. So, I'm going to actually start with the box first, and that way I can move it out of the way and then move on to the bag. So, let's go ahead and see what's inside. I know what's inside, but y'all don't know what's inside. So y'all, I actually saw this particular bag. I was going to say silhouette, but bag in the Coach outlet in store. But they only had one, and it was the one that was on display. They didn't have anything else, so I decided to wait and go ahead and order it online, so I did. And this is it. Now I can move the box out of the way. Okay, so I got the box out of the way, and now I can open it up. I'm sure you can already see it. I initially saw this similar print, I would say, on the Coach retail side, and I thought it was pretty. And if you're not familiar with it, it's the opposite of this. So let me go ahead and open it and also show you the name on the bag. Let's see. It says Floral. I'm not sure what the PT is. Court backpack. So the retail side is the opposite. Like I said, it's actually black. And let me tilt it down so you can see it. It's black and the flowers are yellow, if I recall correctly. So I actually like that they brought this over to the Coach outlet side in the opposite, because that allows everyone to get a different color, or the color in reverse, I guess you could say, but still have the same colors. So it's not a bright white. It's kind of an off-white to me. And I believe Coach usually calls their white chalk. But y'all, this is the backpack. I thought it was cute. It does not have any feet. And it's a good size. You can absolutely carry this as a purse. Replace your tote with it. Work bag. I'm sure it'll fit a laptop. And I will input the measurements from the website as well on the screen. And let's see the tag. If it also has the same description. And of course, you know, online. Okay, so it does say chalk. So on here it says chalk multi, if you all can see that. But on the bag it said floral. Okay, so it still says it. So it's a combination. So chalk multi, describing the base or the bulk of the material, and then floral court backpack. It has two-part description. So this is the back of it. It does not have any hardware on the straps or anything like that. It is stitched into the backpack itself. It does have the top handle for carry and side pockets as well. They're pretty snug, but I'm pretty sure it will hold a cell phone. So let's see. Yeah, it holds the cell phone with no problem. I don't think it will hold a bottle of water because it's kind of a slim pocket. And if you all are watching this video and you are not subscribed, and you feel like you would want to see more of my content, feel free to hit that subscription button or subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And thank you so much to my returning viewers and subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so the outside pocket. Just a full pocket, no card slots or anything like that. So I do like that it has a pocket on each side of the bag. And let's take a look inside. Okay, and it's a 2-part zipper. So, and it is double. So it has a double zip on this zipper has 2 zippers. But, or 2 pulls, should I say. But the main opening, it only has 1 zipper. It's funny how you notice a lot more different details when you're actually unwrapping it versus when you're just looking at it online or looking at it in the store. So this section here, I would say it would easily hold, I don't think it'll hold a 13-inch laptop, probably like a 12. Of course, it would hold a notebook, but that's that particular side. And let's see if this is considered the main section or not. Okay, so this has a zipper on this side and slip pockets. So I guess this could be considered more of the main section or main compartment of the backpack. So it does have a zipper here in the back. The inside is like a tan or dark taupe color. The pocket looks like it goes all the way to the bottom. So that's pretty good. That's the Coach New York label there. And then this side just has 2 slip pockets. And these go about halfway to the center of the bag, not quite fully to the bottom. And straps are adjustable. The hang tag here on one of the straps. So you could probably hang like a charm key coin purse or something like that here as well. But this is cute. I like the size. I like the colors. So I will give you a close-up of the backpack, and then I will open or unwrap the bagged items. And I would say it's pretty stiff. It does it's not slouchy. It's not a slouchy backpack. So it feels like pebble leather. And let me make sure it's fully in the shot for you. Just a full 360. It does have Coach on the hardware, I see. And then a close-up for you. And this does come in other prints. I believe it comes in the signature print, as well as I'm not sure what other color leathers it comes in, but I know it comes in the signature, the coated canvas. All right, y'all. So this is the backpack. Now to the additional goodies. I did pick up a couple of matching accessories. So I'll start with this one. Initially, this was the only accessory that I was going to get. And this is just a little wristlet for it. Corner zip wristlet. Close up of it. And I believe these are, from what I was told at the Coach outlet, considered like end of season. Like they don't plan on restocking many more of these. So same color description, corner zip, leather floral. It does have the 2 card slots inside. And the wristlet strap, which is not detachable. So initially, like I said, that was going to be the only piece that I was going to get to match the backpack. And then I saw the actual wallet for it. And I thought, might as well go ahead and get this as well. And because I was just going to pair just a plain black wallet with it. Or maybe like a wallet, the color, that yellow color. I wasn't really too concerned with the wallet until I saw it and I saw how pretty it was. So I did get the long zip wallet as well. And this leather feels really thick on this with this particular print. Not just where the flowers are, but the foundation or base itself, it does feel pretty thick. So this is the inside of it. The strap itself is detachable. And the interior, it matches the interior of the backpack also. So it's like a dark taupe color. So it just has a slip pocket back here. And 6 card slots on that side. A little divider, zipper compartment. Does it say long zip on here? I believe so. I think that's the code for it. And Coach right there. And then 6 more card slots on this side. So all in all, I think this is a pretty set. Let me know if you all have seen this, if you've grabbed it as well. Or if you have the backpack in a different print. But I think this is pretty. I think this can be for any season, especially with the black flowers. But all in all, I am satisfied with this set. I think it is really pretty. And like I said, I think it can be carried year round. Not going to do measurements of it. I am going to put it looks pretty accurate according to the measurements on the website. So I am going to include those in the video. And let me just check to see if this front zipper pocket holds the corner zip or not. Okay, it does just fine. So the outside pocket, you can easily put your wristlet in there, a cell phone, and anything else, and you'll still have room to zip it up. So like I said, I think this holds a lot. The strap at the top, or should I say the little handle at the top, gives you an option to carry it like you would like a satchel or a top handle bag. Or you can put it on your back where it is the backpack. But that's it, y'all. I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very wonderful day.